the last number of years. And to those that aren't aware, Mexico is one of the highest crypto adoptions globally. It sits at number 16. What was it that brought you and threw you into this industry?
Wow, that is a very good question, Rachel, because well, I joined crypto. It was in 2016, and I know nothing, no knowledge, it was no information out there. It was a little bit confused for me, but I'm a technology man, okay? And I was searching and searching, and maybe some of the audience here knows that when you don't have any information, you lose money. That's what's happening for me in 2016. And I decided sometime to leave crypto. I said, crypto is not for me. I lose money. I don't want to lose nothing. I will still get in on my job. I'm a TV producer for more than 30 years. And I said, no, I'm just going to do my job. But the time was, in that time, I saw that the technology was getting up, okay? And crypto is getting up and up and up. And I decided to look for more information. And in 2018, at the end of 2018 and beginning of 2019, I discovered Binance. And I start to learn lots of knowledge about that. And I say, that is the technology. If we turn around about the technology when it was the internet, at the beginnings of the internet and the transition of that, I said, maybe this is going to be the same. Why not to be here? And well, just Binance was there.
So you really exercise a lot of resilience in order to continue learning and continue educating yourself.
Yes, it's a very key for all the people. The education is first.
Amazing. I'm going to switch gears a little bit now, but Mohit, your story is very powerful. It starts from a moment of loss. What was it that motivated you to come back again into the space and to take that second chance after being so badly scolded, by a scam?
So it's a very interesting story. Again, I started my journey with Lois. He was joined in 2016 and I was in 17. Very less knowledge, nothing more aware about the crypto part. Only the investment in the Bitcoin was because of the trading, buy, sell every day, and no knowledge about the blockchain technology and stuff like that. I got scammed in MLM scheme. Somebody showed me that how much profit you can gain out of this, and it was purely a scam. I lost a lot. It was a huge setback for me at that point of time. I was shattered. I was in shock. Not monetary wise, but mentally also. I was in real pain at that point of time because I lost everything because of the false promises. Then I thought, there is one thing which is wrong. Everything can't be wrong. You have to come back. From inner it came, that something I have to do because I have lost. I can't lose it like that. You have to do something. To get your money back, do the right decisions in life and do the right investments. 2018, I got to know about Binance. Binance was launched globally, and everybody was talking about Binance. It's a new exchange, doing pretty good in the market, promoted by well-known people and stuff like that. I thought, let me give it a shot. Maybe everybody is doing the wrong thing. Maybe these guys can do something good for the community. Then I, started using Binance. There was a very little trust because I was shattered. I was in a big pain. But when I was trying to, use Binance, I realized that it is built in such a manner what community is exactly looking at. So their touch point, all the touch points which community was looking at. The user interface was terrific. The security was top notch. I was again scared. I thought, I don't know how will they perform, in 1 or 2 years. We'll have to analyze it. I read the white paper of Binance, their roadmap, and I realized that whatever promises they did in the roadmap, they are fulfilling that. And that thing, and very positive feedback from the community. It was more of a community exchange than a business kind of a thing.
I think we will encounter this where when we moved into the space a little bit earlier, friends and family had big question marks around why are you doing it, and especially since you had been involved in that scam, like how did you manage that? And the comments from friends and family that I'm sure were loud in the air.
Absolutely. So even if you look at in 2025 also, people are scared. They are scared of investing in crypto. The markets are not going well. But if you look at the broader perspective, I always tell them that don't look from a trading perspective. Look for what is the future of cryptocurrency, what is the future of the blockchain, what are the projects doing. Companies are investing, ETFs are coming, big hedge funds are investing, strategy is there, and everybody, So look from that perspective rather than trading, because if you will trade, you will always lose. It's highly manipulated, it is getting regulated, but it will take some time. So we need to understand that it's a safe haven if you are investing wisely.
And for the long term.
Yeah, absolutely, and it is Binance is top notch in terms of securities. Most important to secure, you can invest X amount of money, but if you don't know how to protect it, that is really doesn't make any sense at all. So that really matters a lot, that how you are using it, what is your horizon in terms of the time span, what is your way of thinking, how technology is evolving. That is where you need to look at it. Only then I convince them. Again, they have a different conception altogether. It's dumping. The coins are dumping. Invest in good projects. Look for the good opportunities, what is around. That's
So really doing your own research and
do
focusing
your
on
own
that. So
research.
we have a lot of OGs that are here, but what I love about Binance Blockchain Week is I always meet newbies and people that are entering into this space and kind of